Oreo Ice Cream by Friendship Menu. Ingredients: condensed milk, all-purpose cream, Oreo cookie for toppings, Oreo cookie crushed. First, crush whole pack of Oreo. Prepare ice cubes in cold water in a stainless bowl. Put a smaller stainless bowl on top of the cold water and ice. Put the Nestle cream that was chilled overnight into the bowl on top. Mix it using an electric mixer or a wire whisk. Add 1 can of condensed milk and mix it again. Put the crushed Oreo into the milk mixture, then mix it. In a square pan, pour the mixture and spread it evenly. After the first layer, put some crushed Oreos for garnish, then add another layer. Add more Oreo on top. Let it chill overnight. Scoop the ice cream and put it in a glass or a cone. Here's your Oreo ice cream by Friendship Menu. Thank you for watching.